Have you ever imagined the magic that unfolds when you combine adorable cat-shaped silicone molds with vibrant marshmallows and shimmering resin? Today, I'm turning these sugary delights into a fabulous flower holder that will leave your guests bubbling with excitement, saying, "How did you do that?" Get ready to witness this sweet transformation that's absolutely perfectly delightful. Welcome to the magical realm of Happy Place Creations. If you're a newbie here, I'm Connie, and I'm so thrilled to meet you. And if you're coming back for more fun, welcome back, my crafty friend. Today, we're about to embark on a colorful adventure that brings together two of my absolute favorite things, fabulous cats and the sweetest candy colors. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we whip up this delightful cat flower holder inspired by pastel marshmallows. This is one of those projects where a sprinkle of patience transforms your effort into a masterpiece. So grab your favorite drink, and let's dive into a world of crafty joy together. For today's project, I'm absolutely buzzing with excitement to dive into this super cute cat-shaped silicone mold that's just perfect for holding a glass tube. It's an ideal spot to flaunt some fresh blooms or delightful dried arrangements. But instead of sticking to a plain old solid color, I thought, let's sprinkle in some fun. So I'm diving into this magical world of dreamy pastel marshmallows for my vibrant color inspiration. Look at these fabulous soft greens, yellows, and pinks. They're sure to bring a burst of sunshine to your day. I'm absolutely buzzing with all those cheerful springtime candy vibes for our perfect kitty creation. For this special project, I'm using Let's Resin Deep Pour Formula, which is a super cool must-have when working with a mold this thick. This amazing resin takes a few days to fully cure, but trust me, the anticipation is like a delightful surprise party waiting to happen. It lets us pour everything at once and unleash our creativity with a burst of carefree joy, while saying goodbye to those pesky air bubbles that like to crash the thicker pour party. The extended cure time is like a golden ticket to a wonderland of color experimentation, where we can play and perfect our vibrant creations. Patience is the secret sauce in the resin crafting adventure, and enjoying every single moment is the cherry on top. Now for the super exciting part. It's time to sprinkle in these fabulous, colorful marshmallows into our perfect cat mold. I'm using tweezers to delicately tuck them into all those cute little spots. Those perky ears, those charming legs, and that sweet heart cutout deserve all the love and care. Oh my goodness, these squishy little molds are throwing me a wild curveball today. Pro tip, I'm discovering in the heat of the moment that next time I'm totally letting those marshmallows chill out overnight to get all hardened and awesome. That would have made this whole adventure a breeze. But hey, we're tackling challenges on the fly. That's half the fun of crafting. Before we hit the cameras, I gathered up all the marshmallows and tossed them into a cup. Then I let the magic happen by pouring resin all over them and giving everything a fantastic swirl. This awesome technique makes sure every single marshmallow gets a perfect coat of resin, which is super important for them to stick together and harden into our amazing creation. I'm being super duper careful to tuck these little pastel cuties into every nook and cranny I can find. The tweezers are total game changers for probing into those teeny tiny spaces in the ears and along the dainty-like areas. It's like the world's stickiest game of operation, but with adorably cute results. Taking our time here is like scoring a jackpot. We want those fluffy marshmallows to jazz up the mold, so our finished feline dazzles with that candy-colored vibe from top to tail. I want to send a gigantic thank you, filled with joy, to all my amazing subscribers, and give a warm and cheerful welcome to everyone new here. I pour my heart into creating fun and exciting content, everything from delightful resin art to creative craft tutorials. Your incredible support is what lights up this channel, and I'm absolutely thrilled for each and every one of you. If you're loving what you see, hey, you haven't jumped on the subscription train yet? Come on, hit that magical subscribe button. It's totally free, and your support makes my day sparkle like crazy. Dropping a like on the videos is like sending a virtual high five to YouTube so they can spread the joy to even more awesome folks who might vibe with the fun. I adore diving into your bright and cheerful comments, so don't hold back. Thank you for being here. You're an absolute superstar and mean the universe to me.
Look at our beautiful cat piece. Now that it's cured, isn't it just magical how those pastel colors came together? Now we're moving on to a super important step, adding a protective back coat that's going to take this project from pretty to professional. For this finishing touch, I've chosen this gorgeous cotton candy glitter, which complements our marshmallow colors perfectly. I'm pairing it with my Let's Resin epoxy, but notice I've switched to their regular formula rather than the deep pour we used initially. This thinner consistency is ideal for creating that smooth, sealed back surface. I'm just mixing up a small batch here. We only need enough for a light coating. This back layer serves two important purposes. It seals in any marshmallows that might be peeking through and creates a clean, finished look to the entire piece. You might notice some of those marshmallows expanded during curing as the resin heated up. That's the science of resin at work. The heat activated those little sugary pieces, and they got a bit puffy. Crafting lesson learned, for sure. Next time, these marshmallows are definitely getting a day or two to harden up before they go into the mold. But that's what I love about trying new techniques. Every project teaches you something. And honestly, I think those slightly expanded marshmallows give our piece a unique, one-of-a-kind texture that makes it even more interesting. Happy accidents in crafting often lead to the most charming results.
Now that our project has fully cured, it was time for the epic reveal, demolding our fabulous kitty creation. I wish I could share the thrilling footage of that spectacular moment, but let's just say I've been dealing with some surprise power shenanigans. Mystery solved. Hooray! It turns out they're building a fabulous house just down the road, and the construction crew has been playing hide and seek with the power to keep their workers safe. While I totally get that safety is the name of the game, I did give a friendly nudge for a heads up before my electricity decides to take a vacation. They were super nice about it, saying, "We'll do our best, ma'am." Well, at least now I know it's not my gadgets having a meltdown. As for our marshmallow kitty, ta-da! Here she is, bright and cheerful in all her sugary splendor. I had to do a bit of snipping around the edges because those marshmallows really puffed up with the heat during curing. The piece turned out to be surprisingly squishy instead of rock hard. What a delightful surprise. Some areas turned delightfully darker than we imagined. It sprinkles these gorgeous depth variations all over the piece. Even with our little hiccups along the journey, I'm absolutely tickled with how this experiment blossomed. It has this playful Candyland vibe that makes me grin from ear to ear every time I catch a glimpse of it. The magic of diving into new techniques is that, even when things go a bit wobbly, we still end up with something totally one-of-a-kind and delightful. I'm super curious to hear, in the comments, if you've ever played around with embedding quirky goodies in resin, and what fun surprises popped up when you did. For this final step, I'm diving into my absolute favorite Let's Resin UV resin. It's the ultimate magic potion for those finishing touches. Here's a super fun trick I adore. I'm swirling the crushed crystal right into the UV resin before painting it on our adorable kitty. This creates an even sprinkle of sparkle, and makes sure those dazzling crystals float beautifully in the resin, instead of sinking or huddling together. Watch how the crystal-infused resin dances with light as I apply it. This technique works like a whimsical wand, casting a dazzling shimmer across the whole surface instead of just resting on top. It's like our kitty is rocking a fabulous, sparkly aura. The Let's Resin UV formula is absolutely amazing because it's crystal clear and stays that way forever. Just like we want to keep those gorgeous pastel colors looking fabulous. It cures super fast under the UV light, so you can spend less time waiting and more time crafting up a storm. I'm playfully slathering this magical mixture around the eyes and bows to make those details sparkle like stars. The UV resin isn't just any ordinary finish. It adds a fabulous shine and serves as a super shield for our masterpiece. That means our kitty will stay as stunning as ever, even after tons of cuddles or being the center of attention on display. Just a few more magical swishes to sprinkle on the color fairy dust, and then it's off to the UV light for a dazzling 5-minute glow-up. I can hardly contain my excitement to unveil the masterpiece. And here she is, our fabulous finished kitty flower holder. Just feast your eyes on those delightful pastel colors dancing together, like a whimsical springtime masterpiece. The way the light twinkles off those crystal accents adds a sprinkle of magic and a touch of fairy dust. I totally squeal with joy over how the marshmallow colors dance together, creating the sweetest transitions between the lush greens, sunny yellows, and delightful peachy pinks. And those tiny blue flower sprinkles add an extra dash of whimsy to our kitty's adorable mug. The heart-shaped center is like a dreamy frame, making a cozy little window for whatever flowers you decide to showcase. What kicked off as a wild and wacky marshmallow experiment has blossomed into this super unique masterpiece that fuses function with fabulous art. Despite our epic power fails and marshmallow shenanigans, the final product boasts a delightful, handcrafted flair that you definitely won't find in any regular old store decor. This would make such a sweet gift for anyone who loves unique home accents or cat-themed decor. Or keep it for yourself. I wouldn't blame you one bit. Every time you look at it, you'll be reminded that sometimes the most delightful creations come from thinking outside the box and trying something completely unexpected. If you had a blast watching this marshmallow kitty spring to life, then go ahead and smash that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next wild crafting escapade. And hop into the comments to share what other wacky materials you'd love to see me play with in future videos. Until next time, keep crafting and let the fun begin.